starving bug. There's a bug. He's a very, very big bug. He's hungry. In fact, he's starving. So, the giant bug goes to a restaurant. This restaurant's only for bugs. No one else can go. The bug goes in the restaurant. The hostess says, "Hi, how many?" The giant bug says, "Just one." The hostess says, "Follow me." The giant bug follows the hostess. The hostess takes him to a table in the corner. He sits down. "The waitress will be with you shortly," says the hostess. The giant bug looks at the menu. He's very hungry. He decides to order soup, a salad, a hamburger, a steak, French fries, green beans, and a milkshake. He puts down the menu and waits for the waitress. He waits 5 minutes. The waitress doesn't come. Doesn't come. He waits 10 minutes, then 20, then 30 minutes. But the waitress still doesn't come. Now, he's really starving. He waves his hands to get the waitress's attention. Finally, after 39 minutes, she comes to his table. She says, "Can I take your order?" The bug says, "Yes. I'd like a large vegetable soup, a salad, 3 hamburgers, 2 steaks, French fries, and green beans." The waitress says, "Would you like anything to drink?" The bug says, "Yes. I'll have a large milkshake, 2 Cokes, and a coffee." The waitress says, "Anything else?" "No, that's it," says the bug. The waitress leaves and takes the bug's order to the kitchen. The bug waits. He waits 15 minutes, but no food. He waits 19 minutes, but no food. He waits 28 minutes, but no food. The bug is starving. He wants to eat. He sees the waitress and calls her over to his table. "Excuse me, can you check on my food, please? I'm starving," he says. "Sure," the waitress says. The waitress returns with a large bowl of vegetable soup. "The rest of your food is coming soon," she says. The bug's very happy. He immediately starts eating the soup. But there's a problem. There's a small person in his soup. He can't believe it. He yells, "Ah! There's a person in my soup!" He throws the bowl on the floor and runs out of the restaurant.